With just 7 simple steps, you can reverse diabetes without much effort. The question is, if there's an easier way, why not give it a try? In this video, we'll break down each step clearly, from small changes in your diet to little tips for keeping your blood sugar stable as if you never had the condition. Right now, diabetes is a concern for millions of people, but you're not alone. These methods are backed by scientific research and real-life experiences, designed specifically for those who want to reclaim their health without relying on medications. Every small step can lead to a big difference, not only improving your health but also allowing you to live freely without worrying about diabetes. Don't miss the final steps at the end of the video, they'll be the key to starting this journey. But first, let's explore why it's important to reverse diabetes. Diabetes is like an hourglass, slowly running out of time and taking away your chances to fully enjoy life. The good news? That hourglass can be flipped, bringing more hope than you might think. Diabetes isn't just a number on your blood sugar monitor. It's the hidden cause behind a range of severe health issues, like heart disease, strokes, and even kidney failure. When blood sugar stays elevated for too long, it acts like glue, damaging blood vessels and making them stiff and narrow. This explains why people with diabetes are 2 to 4 times more likely to develop cardiovascular diseases compared to those without the condition. On top of that, diabetes is like a silent thief, gradually taking away your clear vision, the feeling in your hands and feet, and even the energy to enjoy life. A study from the National Institutes of Health revealed that timely diabetes control can reduce the risk of serious complications by up to 58%. So, why reverse diabetes instead of just managing it? Because reversing diabetes isn't just about lowering blood sugar levels, it's about reclaiming your freedom. You'll be able to enjoy your favorite foods without hesitation, ditch the constant anxiety of pricking your finger, and most importantly, live a healthier life without being dependent on medication. Imagine the sense of freedom when diabetes no longer has its grip on you. Trust me, this journey is worth starting today. But hold on, before diving in, it's crucial to properly understand type 2 diabetes. Think of type 2 diabetes as a trickster. It progresses quietly, without immediate pain, but carries serious risks if you don't fully grasp what you're dealing with. Type 2 diabetes isn't a death sentence, but it's not something to be taken lightly either. It's the most common form of diabetes, accounting for about 90 to 95% of all diabetes cases. Surprisingly, many people don't realize that this condition often starts with prediabetes, a stage where blood sugar levels are higher than normal but not yet high enough for a diabetes diagnosis. So, what exactly is type 2 diabetes? Simply put, it's when your body loses its ability to use insulin effectively. Insulin works like a key that unlocks the doors for glucose, sugar, to enter your cells, where it's used as energy. When insulin doesn't function properly, sugar gets stuck in your bloodstream, causing high blood sugar levels. This leads to a cascade of harmful effects on your blood vessels, heart, kidneys, eyes, and even your nerves. Here's the thing, type 2 diabetes doesn't just happen to people who are overweight or inactive. Genetics and even chronic stress can play a role. Recent studies show that even people with a normal weight but diets high in refined sugars and low in fiber are at a significant risk of developing the condition. Now that we've laid the groundwork, let's not keep you waiting any longer. Let's dive into the 7 steps to reverse diabetes. Step 1. Cut out sugar. Sugar is the sweet tempter, but it's also one of the main culprits that make type 2 diabetes worse. However, by eliminating it, you're taking a powerful first step toward reclaiming your health. Sugar isn't just the white crystals you add to your coffee, it's hidden in everyday foods like bread, sauces, and soda. Research shows that an average can of soda contains up to 10 teaspoons of sugar, far exceeding the World Health Organization's daily recommendation. When you consume sugar, it immediately spikes your blood sugar levels, forcing your body to produce insulin to handle it. Over time, consuming too much sugar causes your body to lose its ability to respond to insulin effectively. The result? Excess sugar in the blood goes unprocessed, leading to type 2 diabetes and a host of serious complications. Cutting out sugar doesn't mean you have to give up sweetness altogether. Instead, opt for healthier, natural sweeteners. For instance, replace refined sugar with raw honey, pure maple syrup, or use fruits like bananas and apples to naturally sweeten your dishes. Remember, even healthy options should be consumed in moderation to maintain stable blood sugar levels. This step also does wonders for your taste buds. After just a few weeks of reducing sugar, you'll start to notice that natural foods, like fruits, nuts, or even vegetables, have a pleasant sweetness that you might have overlooked before. Step 2. Avoid grains. Grains might seem harmless, but they're often a hidden culprit. Especially processed grains like white flour, white rice, and packaged breakfast cereals are quickly converted into sugar by the body. When you eat a bowl of rice or a slice of bread, they spike your blood sugar levels almost as much as eating candy. This is why many people struggle to control their blood sugar even if they're avoiding direct sugar intake. A study from the Harvard School of Nutrition found that refined grains have a high glycemic index, GI, meaning they cause rapid blood sugar spikes and require your body to produce more insulin. Over time, this overworks the pancreas and leads to insulin resistance, the root cause of type 2 diabetes. So, how can you replace grains without sacrificing nutrition? The key is switching to complex carbohydrates that are high in fiber, like leafy greens, quinoa, or legumes. These not only help stabilize blood sugar levels but also provide long-lasting energy throughout the day. Additionally, you can substitute white rice with brown rice or millet and swap white bread for whole grain bread. Avoiding grains doesn't mean giving up your favorite dishes. Instead, get creative with your cooking. For example, use cauliflower rice as a substitute for traditional rice, or make pizza crust using almond flour instead of wheat flour. These small changes can have a big impact on managing blood sugar and improving overall health. Step 3. Eliminate vegetable oils. Vegetable oils might seem like a healthy choice, but in reality, they are a silent destroyer. Most commonly used vegetable oils, such as soybean oil, corn oil, and canola oil, are industrially processed, altering their chemical structure. As a result, they are loaded with omega-6 fatty acids. While the body does need a small amount of omega-6, excessive consumption can trigger chronic inflammation, a major contributor to type 2 diabetes and other diseases. According to research from the University of California, the modern diet's high omega-6 to omega-3 ratio disrupts insulin function, making it harder for the body to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Additionally, these oils contain harmful compounds, like aldehydes, which are produced when oils are heated to high temperatures. These compounds can damage cells and increase inflammation. Eliminating vegetable oils doesn't mean giving up your favorite fried, sautéed, or baked dishes. Instead, switch to healthier alternatives like extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, or organic animal fats. These oils are more stable when heated and don't promote inflammation like industrial vegetable oils. A practical starting point is to check the labels of the products in your kitchen. You might be surprised to find vegetable oils not only in cooking oils but also in processed foods like salad dressings, cookies, and snacks. Making this switch can significantly reduce inflammation and help your body manage blood sugar more effectively. Step 4. Adjust your diet, the compass to better health. When it comes to diabetes, managing your diet is about more than just cutting back on sugar. It's a comprehensive strategy aimed at stabilizing blood sugar and reducing inflammation. The first priority is to minimize refined carbohydrates, the culprits behind blood sugar spikes. Instead of white rice, white bread, or pasta, focus on complex carbs rich in fiber, such as leafy greens, berries, or quinoa. A crucial part of dietary adjustment is incorporating enough healthy fats. Foods like avocados, olive oil, almonds, and salmon not only provide energy but also improve your body's insulin sensitivity. A study from Stanford University revealed that replacing bad fats from fried foods with good fats can significantly reduce the risk of insulin resistance. Don't overlook protein, it's the foundation for repairing and maintaining your body. Great options include chicken, eggs, and legumes. Protein not only keeps you full longer but also helps regulate post-meal blood sugar levels. Timing your meals is just as important. Eating on a schedule and avoiding late-night snacking give your body the rest it needs to optimize insulin function. Finally, flexibility is key. Adjusting your diet doesn't mean giving up all your favorite foods, it's about finding healthier versions of them. A little creativity in the kitchen can help you enjoy delicious meals while protecting your health. Step 5. Adopt intermittent fasting, the golden strategy for blood sugar balance. Intermittent fasting, might sound like a challenge, but it's actually a golden strategy for regaining blood sugar balance. Unlike a diet, IF is a way of scheduling meals to optimize your body's functions. Research has shown that it improves insulin sensitivity, reduces inflammation, and supports weight loss, all critical factors in managing and reversing diabetes. When you eat, your body produces insulin to process blood sugar. However, eating continuously throughout the day doesn't allow your body to rest and recover. Intermittent fasting gives your body extended periods without caloric intake, reducing the burden on your pancreas and triggering a natural cell repair process called autophagy. A popular method to start IF is the 16-8 approach: eat within an 8-hour window, e.g., from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., and fast for the remaining 16 hours. This fasting period helps stabilize blood sugar levels and improves metabolic processes, allowing your body to burn fat for energy instead of relying on glucose. If it feels intimidating at first, don't worry. Start by gradually increasing your fasting window, begin with 12 hours, then extend to 14 or 16 hours as you become more comfortable. During your eating window, it's important to stick to a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and fiber to fuel your body and support its functions effectively. With time and practice, you'll find that intermittent fasting can become an empowering tool for managing diabetes and improving overall health. Step 6. Move after meals, boosting your body's power station. After each meal, your body acts like a power station, processing glucose from the food you've eaten. But did you know that just a few minutes of light physical activity can help your body efficiently use this energy and reduce the strain on your blood sugar? Post-meal movement doesn't need to be intense workouts or long exercise sessions. Instead, simply walking for 10 to 15 minutes can make a significant difference. Studies from Newcastle University in the UK have shown that moving right after eating can reduce blood sugar spikes by up to 30%, helping the body maintain better glucose stability. When you move, your muscles use glucose as energy without needing insulin. This acts like a quick exit for glucose in your bloodstream, reducing the pressure on your pancreas and improving insulin sensitivity. For people with type 2 diabetes, this is an effective way to manage blood sugar without relying heavily on medication. What's great is that you can choose activities that fit your daily routine. Taking a walk around the block, doing light housework, or even gardening can all bring benefits. If you work in an office, simple stretching exercises or a few minutes of movement can improve circulation and support metabolism. The ideal time for movement is within 30 minutes after eating. This is when glucose begins to enter your bloodstream, and being active during this window helps your body immediately use this sugar, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar. By making this simple adjustment to your routine, you'll be able to better control your blood sugar, boost circulation, and feel more energized throughout the day. Step 7. Prioritize high-quality sleep, your body's golden time to recover and regulate blood sugar. Quality sleep is your body's golden time to recover and regulate blood sugar. Lack of sleep or poor quality sleep can disrupt insulin hormones, making it harder for your body to control blood sugar levels. According to research from the University of Chicago Medical Center, just a few nights of poor sleep can reduce your body's insulin sensitivity by up to 30%, leading to insulin resistance, one of the primary factors that causes and worsens type 2 diabetes. While you sleep, your body performs vital tasks such as balancing hormones, repairing cells, and regulating blood sugar. A deep and adequate sleep will help reduce stress, improve insulin sensitivity, and even enhance weight management, key factors in controlling diabetes. So how can you improve your sleep? First, establish a consistent sleep routine by going to bed and waking up at the same time each day, even on weekends. This helps set your body's internal clock and supports optimal recovery. Additionally, avoid blue light from phones, computers, or TV screens at least 1 hour before bedtime. Blue light disrupts the production of melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep. A dark, quiet, and cool room is also crucial to ensuring quality sleep. If you struggle to sleep deeply, relaxation techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or listening to soft music can help. At the same time, avoid caffeine and heavy meals in the evening to reduce digestive strain and help your body enter a restful state more easily. By prioritizing quality sleep, you'll significantly improve your ability to control blood sugar, boost your overall health, and enhance your energy levels for the day ahead.